CubeMaps are really useful for pre-rendered reflections and skyboxes and portals and things like that, but you don't have to make them in your 3D package. You can make them in the engine. You just need a cube render target. You just make it straight into your content folder there. Open that up and adjust the resolution to whatever you like so. Beware of these numbers here. They can get quite big, can make for quite a big file. Next, we need to add a scene capture cube, which is basically like a 6-way camera, and position that in the scene and attach to it our cube render target that we made earlier. There it is, rendered out. Now if we right click on it, choose create static texture, that's going to duplicate it into a texture file that we can save to disk. And you can see it's completely identical, except it's static. And we can get rid of those, don't need those anymore, and then it's ready to be used. You can even put it in the preview background for your model viewer. And you're done. Thank you.